Good day, everybody. Just wanted to give you an update on the little 2001 Pontiac Sunfire. Put some wax on her, and what I've been using is the McGuire's, and I use paper towel to apply the wax and also wipe it off. And anyway, worked out pretty good. Still got some more rubbing compound to do, and I didn't really realize, when you get a car all shined up, so you got all kinds of little dings and stuff. Of course, all those little dings are going to have to come out eventually, but at least we can see what they are. This car has been painted once. It was repainted. Somewhere around 2008, something like that. The original paint on it needed to be clear coated. And anyway, this was not the two-stage paint job. This was just a single-stage paint job that was put on it. And anyway, got some dents that need to be done on it. I'm not too worried about people finding out who I am. I don't hide really behind anything. But I'm trying to avoid the license plate as I'm going around it. And there's Finn again. And there's Finn doing his normal position. Say hi to everybody, Finn. Finn, Dad's a good boy. Anyway, just wanted to give you an update on the way the car is shining up, and you can see there that a little bit of road rash. I knew the car had over 200,000 miles on it, and it's actually got 265,000 miles on it. I had another one just like it, probably said in another video earlier, and but you get away from her, and 10 foot away, and it looks like a pretty nice car, and it primarily is. Just sun faded. I didn't have room to put her in a garage, so pretty nice little car. 10 foot away. You don't see all her little imperfections or anything. I'm walking on rubber rock. This is a pretty neat product. Took a lot of work to get it put in, but I do like the rubber rock. And there you go. You all have a wonderful day.